Hi YouTube, this is TechMaster here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a T-Mobile voicemail service. I'll be using a Metro PCS phone or Metro phone, but doing it on T-Mobile or any other MVNO of T-Mobile is the same. Let's begin by entering the number 1 on the phone keypad. But I'll be using an iPhone, but I'm not going to be using visual voicemail to set it up. I'm going to be setting up the ordinary way of non-visual voicemail. Let's begin.
Speech on.
Go to the phone app,
Phone 1.
hold down 1 or you can do 1, 2, 3.
Phone call. Voicemail. 2 seconds.
Para español,
It's
oprima
going to ask you for
uno.
your language.
I will be helping you set up your voicemail in 3 easy steps.
3 steps.
Creating a password, recording your name, and creating a greeting. You will need to create a new password. Otherwise, you will be prompted again the next time you call your voicemail. Let's get started by creating a password. Enter your new 4 to 9 digit password.
The
Then
password
press
is,
the pound sign.
the password is going to be 4 to 9 digits. I'll do 1, 2, 3.
Voicemail 31.
Okay.
2, 3,
Okay,
0,
pound.
pound.
Invalid password.
Oh,
A
password.
password must be 4 to 9 digits. It cannot be the last 4 digits of your phone number and
Those are
cannot
password
include
requirements.
consecutive or repetitive sequences such as 1, 2, 3 or 1, 1, 1. Enter your new 4 to 9 digit password. Then press the
8,
pound
6,
sign.
I'll
1,
do 1, 2,
2, 6,
6, 0.
8, 0, pound.
Your new password is 1, 2, 6,
So ask you if you
0.
want to confirm
If
it.
you are satisfied with your password, press pound.
That's pound to
To change
confirm.
the
6,
password, press star.
Changing
Pound,
press
end
star.
call,
That'll be
pound. Pound.
To require your password each time you call your voicemail, press 1. To leave this feature off, press 2.
This is a password requirement, like for when you call your voicemail when you're not on your
To
calling
require
your
your
phone.
password each
or
time
you-
you call your voicemail, press 1.
I'll turn
To
it
leave
on.
this feature off, press 2.
Turn it on.
1.
Password security is now enabled.
Password
Your
security.
password will be required each time you call your mailbox. Next, you will record your name. At the tone, please speak your first and last name. Then press pound.
Test service. And press pound.
Not pound.
Your name is Test Service.
8, 7.
If you are satisfied with your recorded name, press 1.
You can press 1 to
To erase
satisfy
and
or
re-record your name,
Press-
press 2.
press 2 to
To
erase.
listen to your name again, press 3.
Press 3 to listen again. Press 1 to confirm. Press 2
1.
to erase.
1.
Name saved.
Name saved.
Next,
Okay.
you will record a personal greeting.
I'll do this
If
later.
you would like to use your name as your greeting and skip to the end of your voicemail setup, press 2.
Or you can press
2.
2 or record. Press
2.
2.
Your callers will be greeted with your recorded name. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete.
Now your voicemail is
To
set up.
access your mailbox in the future, press and hold the 1 key from your phone. Please remember your password. 1260. I will now go over some helpful tips before taking you to your
I'll
mailbox.
skip that.
If you
End
want to
call,
skip
pound.
these tips and go to your mailbox now,
You press
you may press pound.
pound.
Here are thank you. You have no messages in your mailbox.
Now the voicemail is set up. In case you forgot your password, you can reset it by dialing pound 793 pound from your phone keypad, and it's going to reset the password to your last 4 digits of your phone number. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you till the end, and subscribe when you want more content like this. Thank you.